Hey guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to check the messages for your Instagram account. So if you want to check the messages for your Instagram account, first you need to open your Instagram account, and here you need to click on the home page icon. Now you need to select the right side corner message icon. You can see that there are three options will be given: primary, journal and request. So if somebody is not following you, its messages goes on request. If somebody following you, its messages goes on journal. And if you follow somebody and you message them, it will goes on primary. So these are the section of Instagram messages. I hope this guide was helpful and you will be able to find the messages on your Instagram account. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website alphabetazone.com.